be careful of all these quick loan firms so that you don't put yourself into financial indebtedness. A lot of people have messed themselves up because of quick loans. Yes, because of quick loans. Emergencies may arrive, but be careful where you collect your loan from. All these quick loans, speed is their superpower. They can credit you within 10 minutes of you demanding for that loan. But do not forget the red flags. The red flags supersede that quick loan you are receiving. They don't need anything from you. What they need, just your BVN, your phone number, and your name. That's what they need, and they will process your loans. But be very, very careful, because if you don't have the means of repayment, if you know you cannot pay as and when due, it's better not to go there at all. It's better not to go to them. Unlike traditional banks that can pay you, but it takes time. They may demand for guarantor, they may demand assets, you have to bring collateral. But quick loans companies, they don't need all those things. They don't need your collateral, they don't need your guarantors. What they need, just your BVN and your phone number, because they know how to get their money back. But if you don't have any means of repayment, if you know you cannot repay, it's better not to go there at all. But if you have means of repayment, if you are a business person and you know you can be repaying them on monthly basis, that's when it suits you. But remember, there are things you may not consider, things you may not know. The interest rate. The interest rate may be high, may be very, very high. Some you will go as you end up paying 20%, 25% of the money you collected. Some people will collect 10,000, they may end up paying 20,000 as repayment. They may end up paying 20,000 as repayment. Though it's very, very quick, when you have emergency needs, when you have pressing needs, they're always there to help you. They're always there to help you. But when you don't have the means of repayment, it's better not to go there at all, because they're gonna mess you up. They're gonna mess you up. They will mess you up if you don't have that mind. If you are hypertensive, you may not even enjoy, you may not even cope with the kind of pressure they will mount on you to collect their money back. So these are some of the things you have to consider the red flag. Yes, it's very, very quick. Even when you demand for money, within 10 minutes that money is already in your account. Unlike traditional banks that will give you a lot of forms to fill, and even if they want to credit you, they will take time. Some take 1 month, some even take 2 months for them to credit you. Unlike that quick loan, unlike those companies that maybe within, just fill the form, fill the app, download the app, and give them necessary things. You will give them within 20 minutes the money is being credited. So you have to be very, very careful. Some of them don't know. Some of the people that collect loan may not know that the interest rate is very, very high until the time for repayment. They end up paying more than what they collected. Number two is some of the companies are not being regulated by financial regulators, so they can mess up, they can do anything, they can end up sending, they can mess you up, they can do anything because it's not regulated. Some are regulated while some are not regulated. So if you want to collect loan from all these quick loan companies, be very, very careful. Do a proper due diligence of where you are collecting the money, so that you don't end up messing yourself up financially, so you don't put yourself into unnecessary pressure. If that thing will wait, let it wait. If it can wait, if it's something of life and death, that's when the thing can, you can maybe get the loan. But try as much as you can to have a means of repayment, because means of repayment is where the problem lies. If you can't pay, that's when they start mounting pressures on you. You may not even enjoy it. You may not enjoy that such pressures. So you have to be very, very careful when it comes to getting money from all these quick loans companies. Yes, you have to be very, very careful. Do a proper search, do a proper due diligence to know the company that you are collecting such funds from, because the interest rates are always very, very high. You may end up paying more than what you collected. Just a look at some will collect 5,000, they may end up paying 15,000 within 7 days. Within 7 days, they may end up paying 15,000 on, that is on interest, why they've not even yet paid the 5,000, the principal they collected. And another thing is that When you don't have the money, you may end up collecting money from another loan app, that is borrow Peter to pay Paul. You'll be just accumulating debt for yourself. Before you know, you find it difficult to repay all these things, and to coming out will be a very difficult thing. So if you can do whatever you know to avoid it entirely, please try and avoid it. Do not go there if you know you don't have any means of repayment, because repaying is where the issue is. So let me get it from the comment section if you have had experience with these quick loan companies. If you have experience, let's hear you on the comment section so that people will learn and be very very cautious of where they are collecting this loan, of where and when they want to collect this loan. Collect if you have a pressing needs of emergency, and secondly, collect if you have the means of repayment. If you don't have the means of repayment, there's no need collecting loan from all these people, because they're gonna mess you up. Yes, they're gonna mess you up. So be very very careful. A lot of people have entered into trouble. Some of them have even lost their job because of the pressures, because of the things they encountered while collecting loan from all these quick loan companies. They are very very good. They are very very good because they're helping a lot of people. But if you don't have any means of repayment, please don't go there, unless if you have means of repayment on monthly basis, according to tenor, according to strategy, maybe according to way you have been given, or according to the payment schedule that is being laid out for you. So be very very careful before you go there, before you go and commit yourself into collecting loan from all these quick loan companies. You know, traditional banks doesn't do this. They do proper due diligence, and again they will get the guarantors, will get assets before they will give you that money. But their interest rate is very very good, and the way they operate is very very good, because banks, traditional banks, are being regulated by the financial institution, so they cannot mess you up the way the quick loan companies normally mess people up. So if you want to collect money, be very very careful before you go there and collect money. Though they are very very good in such a way, maybe the speed is their superpower. Yes, the speed is their selling point. They are very very good when it comes to speed, and if they can give you when you need it, is then it's also good for you to repay when they need it. So these are some of the things you have to put into consideration before you collect loan from all these quick loan companies. Don't forget their red flags. They are very very good. When you are collecting it, the thing will be, yes, you'll be happy. But don't forget the red flags. Don't forget the red flags, which is their interest rate is very very high. Some of them are not being regulated by the financial institutions. Some of them are not being regulated, so they can do anything and get away with it. So be very very careful out there before you collect any quick loan from all these quick loan syndrome. If at all you need loan, and if you know you can endure that thing, don't go over there. If you can collect from your own bank, from your traditional bank, then it's even more better for you to go there and collect your loan. It's even more better for you. My name is Ngozi, your financial advisor, product manager, and a chartered risk manager. Do well to share these things. Comment if you have had any experience with these people, so that people will learn. Instead of going there, if you know you cannot repay, don't go there at all. But if you know you can repay the loan, you can go there and collect the loan, because they are helping a lot of people in terms of emergency. See you, and God bless you. Bye.